Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel that aims to motivate the future entrepreneurs and billionaires by providing informative, inspiring and motivational videos. Today in this video we will be sharing unique ideas to earn money online. The first business idea is YouTube videos and alternatives. If you want to make an income online with videos, then you can start a YouTube channel and monetize it. Everyone has interest and passion in something, and you could use your passion to make money for yourself. You could make gaming channels, fitness channels, educational channels, or a comedy channel depending on your interest. You can earn money just by sitting at home, and there are so many other alternatives for business video hosting, which are Vimeo, Wistia, Sprout Video, Vidler, and many more out there for you guys. The second business idea is testing out websites and mobile apps for money. There are companies that pay you for testing the websites. User testing, user test, and enroll are such companies which have website testers. There are websites such as AppCoiner, TestBirds, and Elusive Starts, which are app testing companies, and when you review the apps and provide honest feedback, you get paid for the feedback provided. There's another place where you could go to test some apps, and that's called Faction, which pays 10 euros, which is almost $12, and the top earners get 10 tasks per month, totaling almost $120. The third point that I'm going to discuss with you is selling art and your photos online. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to sell your art and earn money? You could sell handcrafts on Amazon or other websites to use your passion to earn money. Sometimes the pictures which you think are of no use can help you make a good amount of money. There are a number of websites such as Talia, Alamy, Shutterstock, Dreamstime, and iStock Photo where you could sell your pictures for more cash with less work. The fourth business idea is selling knowledge and start a blog. If you have a good knowledge on any academic subject or any other area, you could start courses online. One way to sell knowledge is in the way of ebooks, which range from long and thorough to short and concise. If you have interest in writing and if time allows you, then you could start a blog which can be done free of cost at blogspot.com. However, if you would like to do it at WordPress, then it costs money, but it will be worth spending on it. So these are the unique ideas which you can use to earn money online. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the forthcoming videos. If you have any questions regarding the video or any suggestions for the next videos, then do let us know in the comment section below. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter at BAMMotivation1. We hope to see you guys soon with the next video.